If we are careless while using a knife, we might cut our finger. A zoomed-in view of the damaged area shows that the knife ruptures a blood vessel. This causes immense loss of blood. Inside the artery, we observe the RBCs and platelets, which escape out through the damaged area. The platelets play a very important role in the initiation of blood clotting. The blood platelets release a substance called thromboplastin. In the presence of thromboplastin and calcium ions, the prothrombin present in the blood gets converted into thrombin. This thrombin now catalyzes the conversion of fibrinogen into fibrin. These fibrin travel towards the damaged area. Here, this thread-like fibrin forms a mesh. The RBCs get caught and remain entangled. These RBCs and fibrin threads together form the blood clot. This clot manages to plug the gap in the ruptured artery and thus prevents